Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin air filter and the engine air filter, whatever you want to call them, in a 2011 Ford Edge Sport. It could be in a regular Ford Edge, it doesn't matter. I think they're the same part numbers. I'd have to confirm with it on all the parts. So let's get started. First we want to pop the hood. Real easy, it's right there. There's a little lock lever right here, or a lever that you need to move. Here's the air box, and this is the filters underneath this, so we're going to need to undo this. This is a 8mm, I believe. We're going to undo this. There's one behind here. Sorry about the sun. We could take this off if you want. And the way to get this off is there's a clip under here and it's red, and you just pull it towards you or this way. And you should be able to just get this off. There we go. So this clip, we need to just back off towards you. Take that off. You probably need to remove this too, the PCB. I'm doing this one-handed while holding the camera, so it's a little slow. This is holding it, so we will take this off. Went ahead and moved it out of the way. If you wanted to, you could take this off, but no need to. And there's the filter. Stickers, installing. Make sure it's the same size. Once that's done, let's put it all back. Super simple, super easy. Don't forget this hose or vacuum hose, whatever it is. Go ahead and tighten this up. Go through and inspect, make sure everything looks good. Onto the cabin air filter. I guess that filter was dirty. Look, I dropped it on the ground. Look at all the stuff that came out of it. What you want to do, glove box, make sure it's empty first. Take all this stuff out. You want to push this in or pull it out like that. Same with the other side. And then there's this little cable right here. You want to just go ahead and lift this up a little bit. See if I can do it one-handed. which I can't. Go ahead. Hopefully I don't block your guys' view. So I went ahead and pushed it down. You kind of turn it, it comes right out. Filter is right here. This knob, this right here, you just kind of push it in and pull out the piece, and there's that. And there's the filter. It's probably gonna be super dirty as I've never changed this. So be careful when you pull this out that there's not a ton of stuff that's in there that's gonna fall out into your car. And it looks pretty dirty. Part number. Install instructions, a sticker. Definitely looks different than the OEM one from the factory. This one's bent a little bit, but whatever. It'll still work, right? Make sure they're the same size. And since these grid fins are going, mountain, I'd say it's a mountain facing up, I'm going to do the same. Well, I'm going to do the same. Since this is flat, I'm going to make this the mountains, and it'll slide in this way. There's no up or down or arrow pointing on this, and I think K&N should do that. I mean, they put their where it's made and their brand on there and a model number, but they should have a flow arrow on this thing. K&N, maybe you guys could do that. It would greatly help on this stuff. Let's go ahead and put it in. Putting this in is very straightforward. Go ahead and put the lid back on, or cover, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it slides into this little piece here. And don't forget this piece. See how it moves? Stick it back through the hole, up, and then I'm going to go ahead and compress each one of these, test it, make sure it works, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill my glove box with the rest of the crap that came with it, or that was in here before. That's it, guys. Super simple. Sorry it wasn't an Audi how-to video. Until next time, guys, keep on wrenching.